Hello everyone, my name is Lila from the Edison Public Library, and I'm here today to show you some crafts to occupy your time and get you doing a little something during this time. So today we are going to be making popsicle stick bookmarks. So you can really make a bookmark out of anything. This is just something fun that you can do at home that's simple, easy, and pretty cheap. So let's see the supplies you're going to need. So before you start your crafts, make sure that you cover up your table to avoid any messes like the one I created there. So the supplies you're going to need are, of course, popsicle sticks, some paint brushes, paint, glue for decorations for later, and those decorations I was talking about. So with all of these supplies, you should be able to create your popsicle stick bookmarks pretty easily. So let's get into the craft. So to start off, you're going to want to paint your popsicle sticks whatever colors you choose. So for this particular one, I chose a white, blue, and a gold. So just make sure that you're doing a nice even coat of everything. So let's see, we're going to start off with some blue here. So these are going to take a little while to dry, but again, just make sure you're doing a nice even coat and give it the time it needs before you start decorating or doing anything in particular. This craft is going to take you a little bit of time just because of the drying process. So I'll see you once these are all dry and painted. There we go. Once we have everything all painted and dried, you'll know they're dry because they're not sticky anymore. Then you're ready to start decorating. So for my purposes today, I'm going to set these other ones to the side because some of them are still drying just a tiny bit, but these ones are dry. So for my purposes today, I'm going to be decorating with a couple of little gems, maybe a pom-pom or two, and also these little letter stamps I have. So you can decorate however you like. I've seen people use string, I've seen people use all sorts of things, but just for today we're just going to keep it nice and easy. We're going to use the leftover paint that I was using earlier and start writing out the letters, the word read. So we'll just dip our stamp in the paint, make sure there's not too much excess. Let's just do a test stamp real quick. Yeah, so always make sure to do a test stamp because you don't know how exactly it's going to turn out. If you put too much on like I did, unfortunately, then it's not going to work out too well. So what I'm going to do is actually paint over the letters instead. So instead of just dipping it in, what you're going to do is we're going to start with the letter E. You'll just grab your paintbrush and just start painting over just the lettering. You don't want any of the excess in there. Just start painting that in. As you can see, I got like a nice even E here. So make sure I cover it up just enough. We'll do another test stamp on my plate here. And that looks a tiny bit better. And it will be enough to come on to my bookmark. So let's just repaint it and then just do a quick little stamp. Make sure you hold it down and carefully let it back up. So I'm going to write out the word read. I'm not sure how well you can see that. There we go. So once I'm done stamping that all out, I will start gluing whatever bonus items I want on there. For instance, I'm thinking about putting this right there. We'll see where I want to go. I'll check back in once I have some of them decorated. See you in a bit. So it's been about a day or so and everything is dried and decorated. And there we go. We have our popsicle stick bookmarks and they fit pretty well into the books I've been reading. Boo. There we go. So again, this is just kind of a quick and easy craft for anyone to do. It's pretty fun. Plus you get to decorate your own bookmarks for anything you want to do, anything you want to read. So I hope you enjoyed this craft and hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.